When we talk about scope of variables, another word for scope is jurisdiction. And a lot of you know what the word jurisdiction is with all your speeding tickets. But anyway, in the state of Maryland, where I'm originally from, the police have a very structured organization or jurisdiction that they have to follow in order to make any arrests, any inquiries, or anything else like that. Like the campus police have a very small area where they can really do their job. As soon as I step away, a campus police officer, as soon as I step over that line, can't do their job. But who's the next person they could do it? The town police. The town police have their jurisdiction. The county police is even larger than the state police and then the federals. Get to the federal, you're done. Okay? That's how jurisdiction works with tickets and everything else like that. Some of you are familiar with. Actually, of all things, the scope of variables in C++ and many other languages are very similar. For global variables, they can live and be accessed throughout the entire program. It is not declared within a function, and that is a dead giveaway if it happens to be a global variable. Whereas a local variable is going to live and die in the function it was created. Now, I'm going to say live, work, and die in the function it was created. I'm going to update that. You can only access within that function unless you pass it, but we'll talk about that later. And it's declared within the function. That's the other dead giveaway. So if it's declared within the function campus police, it's going to live, work, and die, but it doesn't expand. Its jurisdiction is not able to be used in anywhere else. And you're going to see that in an exercise here in a moment. Here's that exercise. What you're going to do, there's 3 exercises in this. You're going to simply tell me what is C out of X going to display. Now, I give you options of error, 0, or 30. And by the way, a couple of them can be used over again, so it's not exclusive. Again, think of the overall positionality of where the variable is, and we talked about scope, and we'll go over and answer here in a minute. So keep it simple. See you in a minute. For exercise number 1, main, nothing crazy, print menu. Okay, my cout's inside of the print menu, and it's trying to print out X. Now, here's what the compiler's going to think. Okay, is there anybody local to X? Nope. Is there anybody global with X? The answer is no. Now, some of you are looking at, well, wait a minute, X is inside of main here. That's right. It's inside, lives, works, and dies inside of main. But that's not print menu. So this first one's going to look for X and go, who the hell is that? Who the heck is X? It has no idea who that is, so it's going to give us our first error, because it has absolutely no idea X is. Now, number 2 is almost the exact same setup, but this time I have a global variable. That would let it get away with it. This time it would print out 0, so the answer on this one is 0. And again, it looked local first. Didn't see anything, so went to the global section. Oh, yeah, there it is. And now I get my 0 from there. So the second one is going to be 0. The third one, well, 2 interesting parts. Main, nothing's changed. The only thing that's changed, really, I guess 2 things have changed. No global. But yes, we have an X is equal to 30 on this one. So yes, it is going to print 30. Okay. Yes, can you have 2 variables that are kind of living in 2 different functions? And yeah, that's what all of that, talked about the call stack, we talked about the stack frame. Yeah, you can have 2 variables that are alive at the same time, named the same, but their scopes are different. Okay, this one takes care of the main, this X takes care of print menu. So the answer is 30, but yes, there are, or there could be 2 variables that are alive at the same time, named X. There could be two Sean Lupolis in the world. God help us all. They're going to be that other person's going to be very different than I am. At least I hope so. But anyway, it's a possibility.